This discovery shocked scientists. Ocean waves can actually synchronize your heartbeat. Like, share, subscribe for more secrets. Research shows people exposed to rhythmic sea sounds experience changes in their cardiovascular rhythms within minutes. Studies confirm in 2022, volunteers listening to recorded waves had measurable shifts in heart rate variability, mimicking the ocean's pulse. But why does our body respond so deeply to these natural rhythms? This discovery shocked scientists. Ocean waves can actually synchronize your heartbeat.